Hi guys, welcome to this Glitterbels unboxing video. This is my most recent delivery. I thought I would just do a little unboxing just to show you what I got. If anyone's been liking these videos, please like and subscribe and share the video. I've ordered some gel polishes and some acrylics and a new brush. So this is the Glitterbels size 12 brush. I can't remember the exact name of this, but it's the one with the nice pink glitter through it. Done a little slow-mo there of the brush going out. I really like the size 12 brush because it's the perfect, like it looks quite big, but it's a really good size. I was using the 8 before, but I feel like it's just a little bit too small. So it just got that liquid in there, if it will focus, that's it there. Really nice brush. So next thing I got is some refills for the metal files. So these are the 180 grit. These are just the peel and stick ones, so you can replace them and put different grits on both sides of the file. These are available on the website in 100 grit, 150 grit and 180 grits, I think. I like the 180 grits are my favourite. Next thing I got is a towel, just plain white Glitterbels towel to go on my desk in the salon. I also got the Glitterbels apron. This is just the half apron with a pocket. I needed a new one of them. Next thing I'm going to show you is my new gel polishes. I just got some of the colours that I was missing in my kit. I still need to get greens, that's one thing I can't find. So the first thing I got is some base glue. This will just be a spare bottle, I've already got one. Next thing I got was the rubber top gel. This is to go over gel polish because it's more flexible than the classic no white top coat. I got some peach cuticle oil, which unfortunately had leaked a little bit on here. Smells really good though. Next colour I got is You're Beautiful, which is this lovely kind of periwinkle purple. Absolutely gorgeous. I know my mum is going to love this colour. Next colour I got was Best Friend, which is this kind of, I don't even know how to describe it, this lovely peachy pink nude which has that lovely gold iridescent shimmer through it. I feel like this would be really nice for French gel polish. Next colour I got was Red Hot, which is your perfect red. Like, it is the perfect red, especially for Christmas and just all year round. I have Cherry Pop, I Dare You and Poppy Field, which are gorgeous reds, but they've not got that quite just perfect red colour. Next one I got is Chameleon, which is this kind of just red gold shift to it. I really wanted that colour, so I put it in my basket. Next colour we have here is Solar Flare, which is a kind of bright orangey red with gold flecks through it. These aren't showing up that well on this camera, sorry. Next colour we got is Red Apple, which is kind of that just perfect red with the metallicness through it. Next colour we have here is Spearmint, which I really wanted in my collection. It's just this nice kind of spearmint blue, as you will. And this one has no shimmer through it, which is really nice. It's not even that minty colour, it's just kind of a light baby blue. Next here we have Cupcake, which I've been wanting for a long time, but it always seems to go out of stock before I can get it. It's that nice kind of sheer peachy colour. And last but not least we have Peach Fluff, which again is just that nice peachy colour. I seem to really like the peaches. In reality I don't actually use them that much, but I thought I'd get some. So I'm just going to put back all this stuff there. I'm making a mess. I'm deciding what to do with this oil. So I've literally just dumped all the acrylics in these boxes here. They came individually wrapped in some bubble wrap. So I've got no idea what I'm doing here. Just faffing about, probably having a sip of coffee. So what I'm going to do is just take these out and kind of, I think I'll organise them into colours. And I love Glitterbels, but there's so much packaging that comes with it. It stresses me out. Like the polystyrene, foam and the cardboard and everything. But I suppose they need to protect the products so they don't get bashed or broken or anything like that. If anyone's wondering why I'm wearing gloves, it's because my nails are horrendous. And because sometimes a bit of the acrylic powder kind of gets all over the jars, so I don't want to be touching that. So the first colour we have is Seahorse, which is this matte glitter. It's kind of hexagon shapes and little circles. If we can get it to focus, there we go. And I think it's actually got a little bit of gold shimmer through it as well. I'm going to swatch these tomorrow and probably do a video, so that will be up soon. Next colour we have is I'm Blushing, which is this lovely kind of, I want to say it's like a coral pink. Really, really nice colour, no shimmer. Next colour we have is Fire Opal, which is a bright pink with gold flecks through it. It's got this lovely, really fine gold glitter through it. I feel like this would be really popular in summer. You can see that glitter is so nice. I didn't edit this video as much as I usually do because I just wanted to have time to talk. So we've got Flamingo Feather, which I've been wanting for ages, but it's always out of stock. It's this bright neon pink colour, absolutely gorgeous. I do have Dazzling Dragon Fruit, which is quite similar, but obviously the dazzling means it has glitter through it, but I just really wanted a matte pink. Next we have Bubblegum Flake, which I think is another matte glitter. Yep, so it's a matte bright pink glitter. I think it's Mylar that's this actually, Mylar Shards. So we've got Pink Pastel. I already have one of these, which I recently sold. I realised I'd ordered a duplicate, so here's another one. It's kind of like Pink Opal, this colour. It's just like your standard cover pink, quite sheer. I don't actually use it that often, but like I said, I ordered it by accident. Next we have Pumpkin, which is this gorgeous copper bronze glitter. I didn't realise how nice this colour was until I opened it and I was blown away. So it's got your gold and bronze little shapes through it. So gorgeous. I kind of want a set of just all pumpkin nails. And I like Glitterbels jars because they come with that little plastic protector on them, so you can't spill them. Next we have Chocolate and Strawberries, which is your kind of nice shimmery brown colour. Next colour we have is Chunky Gold, which it kind of self-explanatory is a chunky gold glitter. There's lots of different sizes and shapes through it, and then it's got really fine glitter through it as well. It's quite similar to Broken Gold. Is it Broken Gold? Yeah. So next we have Champagne, which is kind of a light gold champagne colour, of a nice, it's a nice fine glitter. Really, really sparkly. So nice. Next colour we have is Choca Mocha, which I thought I already had, but I didn't actually have. But it's this gorgeous kind of deep bronze colour. So nice. I thought it was going to be quite similar to Chocoberry Crush, but is it Chocoberry Crush? Chocoberry? But it's quite different. It's a lot more bronze. Chocoberry is more purple, almost. So the next colour we have here is Gunmetal Slate, which is a sparkly grey colour. It's not even sparkly, it's just like a really fine, it's almost like the liquid colours, like liquid silver and liquid gold, but it's grey. Next we have Puggy, which I didn't realise how much I was going to love this colour. I thought it was more blue, but it's this kind of light purple. So nice. And I feel like this will go really nice with lilac acrylic powder as well. Next we have Gary Grey, which is a lot lighter than I thought it would be, but I still need to swatch these, so it'll definitely turn out darker on the swatch than in the jar. I've also got Koala and Chinchilla, but I thought you can never have too many greys, so I ordered this one as well. Next we have Soft Nude, which is a really nice kind of really light kind of creamy colour, almost like peachy cream. I'm excited to swatch that colour and see what it turns out like. Next we have Belle, which is this gorgeous really light shimmery yellow. I'm so excited to use this. It's me trying to get it to move a bit. The camera's not really picking up how nice this colour is, but it's absolutely gorgeous. Next we have Lemon Drizzle, which I've also wanted for a long time, but I could never get it. Actually, I think this is a new one. Not sure, but it's that kind of nice lemony colour. I've also got Honey, which is a lot darker than this, and Canary, which is more, it's a lot darker again. Next we have Scales, which you'd think is little shards of blue. I think it's got some little purple bits through it. It's like iridescent glitter. So nice. In reality, I did not need this colour because I've got so many like it. I've got so many Glitterbels and loose glitters like it. I did not need, but well. Next we have Ocean Crush, another one that I did not need, but I wanted, so I got it. This nice kind of ocean blue colour, little tiny shards of mylar. So nice. Next we have Blue Nebula, which is, at this point in the video I was realising that Glitterbels have sent the wrong colour, so I ordered Tuna, but they sent a Blue Nebula which I already own, so I've emailed them and they're going to hopefully send a Tuna instead. So this is a deep blue colour with glitter, so I'm just going to put that to the side, so remember to send it back. Next we have Beetle Green, which is your nice kind of deep, I think this colour is quite dark when you swatch it, but I've already got Glamour Green, but it wasn't dark enough, so I've ordered this one. I feel that would be really nice on a set. So that's that video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I don't know what I'm doing here in the video. You get a nice view of my nail desk here. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. I know a lot of people have come from the Glitterbels Facebook group, so hi guys, and please hit subscribe and have a good day. Thank you.